guys, we're in Walmart. It's about to be the 4th. So we're looking at the books. You see any books?
I'm looking.
Jaws. We might try to get a game today. What's up, Jaws?
Yes, Jaws.
What do you see there? Survive at night. Oh, cool.
You see
What?
that?
What is it with?
Inside Mr. Application House, he's behind the library and the place you're going to help the killer clean up his currency by making it a mess and you die. Bet you didn't see that coming, did you? Go back to page 49.
So it's your own fate?
Yeah. Oh, it's over here. Look at that. Go back to page 50.
It's like a game.
Yeah.
Can you show the book? You survive the night.
I'm looking for something.
You look for something.
Look. The title should say it all right there. Survive the night.
Choose your fat color your school. Video.
You doing a video?
Yeah. Oh,
I saw this at the tattoo place.
The tattoo place?
Yeah, the tattoo place that's near our place.
Oh.
I was looking at it this way.
This one?
I was looking at it this way.
Upside down?
It was like this. Yeah. It was like, it's a mythographic. I was like, ooh.
Uh-huh.
Oh, no wonder. Artist wall? Tattoo artist?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What else you want to look at? You look for something. I'm trying to lose weight, so we got something that helps us lose weight, so we're at Game Exchange now. Just so many pops.
Yeah.
Look.
White man can't jump. Wesley Snipes and what is that? Woody Harrelson.
What's Pennywise?
It's Sam.
Sam?
From Trick or Treat.
Oh, good one. Sam.
From Trick or Treat.
Yeah. We'll show y'all the games and shit. What? What? It's crashed. Oh.
We're just scream at this.
Chuggy. Oh. Might need help
What?
getting him.
Well, I think they're about $11.
Oh.
But let me see here.
I said 14 now.
14.
My Juggy. No matter what anyone says, he's mine. So.
There's my Beetlejuice that I'm trying to look for at our place.
Oh.
This or this?
We were at Target. Ow. This. Since you wanted that.
Yeah.
We were at Target. I look like shit.
It's worth $19 though.
Oh. So I got me a new chair. My new chair we got put together.
Save an extra 5% when you pay with.
We got a thing and a air. Cause our room's hot. We're gonna get the kids a fan. Ghosty found something. What is it?
It's a tarot deck.
Mom hates tarot cards.
Yeah, she does.
She's like, ooh, don't open that. She is scaredy. What's that Beetlejuice? I got last time.
Blowed out guide.
Yeah.
Oh, they have some over here.
Hey guys, we're back home. So we bought a chair, and it's the first time I ever did any assembling. So I don't know. I wasn't sure on how to put the damn thing together, but watching a video helped, and Ghosty helped, and let's see here. I'm gonna show y'all. There's the chair. So that was a bitch. I had to put this part on. That was not connected. The wheels were a little difficult. So the hardest probably thing was this. It pretty much works. Ghosty had to help me with this part. See, that was hard to hold on to by myself, so he got it. So I would just be careful moving it. But there it goes. That's what I'm gonna be having over here, and Ghosty will have his. We've been playing with original Xbox. Oh, but I couldn't find a game, so I'm gonna start buying these. This first season. We got some games. Here's a game I'll probably stream. Man Eater. Just got Xbox games. True Crime Streets of LA. Yeah. Yeah. You say these games are like GTA. True Crime. You said these True Crime games are like GTA.
Might want to look at the covers. Well, not the actual covers.
Not those
They
covers.
don't have no covers, but look at the actual covers on your tablet or somewhere.
Yeah. So if y'all like the video, hit the like and shit. They got a box to play in. So yeah, we're gonna start buying stuff each month and all that stuff. So yeah, got me a chair. That's good. Feels good. So once a month we'll save up and half pay for stuff to get. So yeah. I know my hair's a mess, but it's hot. Okay, see y'all next video.